Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about one of the more widely spreaded birds of prey in the world. The common kestrel. The common kestrel is a bird of prey species belonging to the kestrel group of the falcon family Falconidae. It is also known as the European kestrel, Eurasian kestrel or Old World kestrel. In the United Kingdom, it is generally just called kestrel. This species occurs over a large range. It is widespread in Europe, Asia and Africa, as well as occasionally reaching the east coast of North America. Small falcon with distinctive male plumage, grey head, rusty back, grey tail with broad black tip. Female is brownish above with barring on the back, wings and tail. Inhabits open and lightly wooded country, farmlands, grasslands and heathlands. Often seen over grassy areas beside roads and at airports. Perching on wires and posts and typically hunts by hovering, at times fairly high overhead, very similar to lesser kestrel. Their calls are like locally named Podu, Okusu, Goya. I have not seen the common kestrel. One such area you can see them is Trincomalee. Did you know that during World War II, Japanese kamikaze pilots attacked one of the oil tanks in Sri Lanka? Tank 91 burned for over 7 days and what remains can be seen even today if you see this oil farm.